Hi everybody, we're back for the next round of stretch and folds. This would be round 4. So I'm looking at my dough. It's puffy, it's pillowy, it's a little jiggly. Bubbles on the bottom. You can see the bubbles on the top. You might have seen this hole I made. This is a piece of equipment that I didn't include in my initial video. This is a temperature gauge for the dough. So people use these all the time in their cooking. And I just took the temp of my dough, and pretty quickly it goes up to 82.9. It never goes past that. So I feel like I'm not really sure. I think it's probably 82.9 or more, which is a really, really high temp for the dough to be. That means that if I look at a chart, which I will try to include for you to see, maybe I'll put it in the comments. I'm not really sure how to include a picture in YouTube, but I will put it in comments. It says 5 hours from when I mixed the ingredients to bulk fermentation would be 5 hours according to that temperature. So there's different amounts of time depending on the temperature of your dough. So a lot of people swear by this. Take the temperature of your dough, set your clock, you'll know exactly when it's done, bulk fermentation. You won't overproof, you won't underproof. I have that in the back of my mind, but then I also look for other signals that I will show you in upcoming videos. There are clear signals about when your dough is ready to be shaped and put into the refrigerator to finish fermenting. So I will show you that coming up. So for now, I'm keeping in my mind, well, it's gonna be about 5 hours, maybe even less, because if this says 82.9, that's 80 degrees is 5 hours. It might even be a little bit less than 5 hours. So back to stretch and fold. So round 4, like I said, I'm looking at this. Does it need more stretch and folds? I don't know, maybe not, but I will do some just to see how it goes. I probably just don't need to do a lot. So here we go. I'm gonna scrape up one side. And now you can see, look at that. It's really not even sticking to my gloves much at all. So that's a good sign. It's lighter, it's airier. It's not wet. It flips right over. It comes right off the bowl. It's not sticking to the bowl anymore. If I pick this up and look underneath, the bowl is actually practically clean. So I believe it's coming along nicely. I will do a couple of coil folds. I can see signs of the gluten. It's a little stringy looking, but it's not sticky. I feel like if I was going to do stretch and folds that the surface might start to tear. Okay, so there I did some coil folds. You don't have to do all the different types of folding. I'm gonna do some slap folds just to get it back to where it's nice and smooth and holding its shape again. I can just feel by the amount of dough in my hands that it's growing. So I feel like that looks good. Not quite as smooth as it was the last time, but tuck it under. I'm gonna put the shower cap back on. As you can see, it gets a lot faster as you go. I'm not gonna come back and do another set of stretch and folds. That was enough. It's ready to just sit and rest and do its fermenting. So from this point, it's been about 2.5 hours. I'm gonna come back and check it after 2 hours. So I'm gonna say, Alexa, set timer 2 hours.
2 hours, starting now.
And I will show you that on the video.